I'm super excited today, guys. I have got the Aurora Glaze High Intensity Magnet Collection from Bandi, and I have been really excited for this one. I love me a good cat eye, and I love me some Aurora colors and pigments and all that fun stuff. So looks like that's what we're getting with this collection. This is coming with a color card. Nothing too fancy on here, but that's okay. I don't use them anyway. So not only does this set come with 7 stunningly beautiful colors, it's also got a mirror top gel, and that will be for putting on your Aurora powders. There we go. We've got this gorgeous peachy pinky color, and the other one is a green purple shift, I think. Greeny blue purple shift. Yes. So I've got my swatch sticks that I'm going to paint black tips onto so that I can see what these look like over clear and black, and then away we'll go. These bottles are super luxurious. Look at that. Got a really tall stem. Logo on top. Nice long brushes. And they are ready for swatching. So the bottles are 10 ml, and the only thing that I'm not quite sure of is the fact that the numbers are kind of all over the place. This collection is number 160, 161, 437, 651, 652, and 734. So not quite sure what the deal is with the number lineup, but that's okay. Here I've got the Aurora Chromes, and I'm going to sample them on a couple of swatches that are clear, black, and white, just so we can see all the differences. Picking it up on my little sponge applicator, or silicone applicator, I guess I should say. This is the peachy pinky one. So pretty. Beautiful. And then for the green, it's such a pretty color. I don't know if I have anything quite like it. Very nice. Here it is, guys. The full collection, all beautifully swatched. Of course, with matte, glossy, and the black tips, so you can see the difference. This collection delivered everything that I was hoping for. I'm so pleased at getting it. I was really unsure about getting a second set, and I couldn't be happier. This set has some gorgeous, stunning colors. Some of those auroras are incredible. This blue is just to die for. That's something that I was really looking for, was a gorgeous sky blue with such a nice soft velvet magnet in it. And it absolutely came through on this one. Now, not all of them are the Aurora look. We've got 1, 2, 3 that have that real Aurora quality. 4, I guess you could probably say for the green as well. But then 1, 2, 3, these ones are just your beautiful soft magnetic color, that mirror finish. And then, of course, these beautiful Aurora powders. I hope you enjoyed watching these swatches and checking out this gorgeous collection with me. Definitely one I recommend picking up. I got mine from Sweetie Nail Supply, and I, of course, will leave a link with an affiliate code in the description so you can pick it up for yourself. Love it. And as always, thanks so much for watching, guys. Until next time, don't forget to love your nails. Bye.